Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys double tap to activate problem, means talkback problem, how to solve talkback in Redmi mobile. Friends, you have talkback problem, so how to fix and how to solve talkback problem in Redmi mobile. So friends, your phone screen is locked. So friends, you want to unlock your phone. So with one finger friends you cannot unlock your Redmi mobile. So when you use your two finger and guys swipe here and you can unlock your Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to use your Redmi mobile, so friends you can use two finger and one finger. If you use your phone you cannot use. Use your two finger, swipe here, again use two finger, scroll. Friends, one tap on phone setting and friends double tap on phone setting. After double tap friends you can see this type interface, so friends click here about phone setting and use your two finger and guys again scroll. Friends, one tap here additional setting and press double tap continue. After on press additional setting you can see when date and time setting language setting, sun setting, gesture settings, screen recording setting, one hand mode setting, clear speaker setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting, double tap. Friends, click here vision setting and double tap, and direct press you can swipe with two finger also, and double click and you can swipe also. Talkback, double tap, use talkback setting, one tap, double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solve. And friends, now you can use your Redmi mobile without talkback problem. One finger friends, you can use your phone, you can own any app, you can click any phone setting. And friends, you want to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting, so friends again on your Redmi mobile phone talkback. After on talkback, close your phone setting. Again open your phone setting, one tap, double tap, scroll it, additional setting, double tap here, accessibility setting friends. Not friend, not click here direct friends, click here first search option, double tap here, double tap again, talkback setting search, talkback, one tap, double tap, direct friends. You will come here talkback setting, double tap here, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solve. And friends, you can use your Redmi without talkback. So like that friends, there are two options, direct friends search option, talkback, solve talkback problem, and friends click here additional setting. One by one, step by step friends, you can solve talkback problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching.